Let's have number one question. What is king cobra? Okay, the king cobra is a venomous snake species of elephants endemic to jungle in southern and southeast Asia. The sole member of the genus Ophiupagus, it is distinguishable from other cobras and most noticeable by its size and neck patterns. So, number two question, why king cobra is called king? Okay, king cobra are impressively venomous, large snakes native to Asia. They called king cobras because they can kill and eat cobras. Number three question, how poisonous is a king cobra? Their venom is not the most potent among venomous snakes, but the amount of neurotoxin they can deliver in a single bite up to 2/10 of a fluid ounce is enough to kill 20 people or even an elephant. Number 4 question, which body which body part affect the king cobra venom? Okay, the answer is the king cobra venom is affect to the respiratory center in the brain and causing respiratory arrest and cardiac failure. Number 5 question. What is the difference between king cobra and cobra? Although the both snakes are elephants, they are described under two genera. King cobra is considerably larger and heavier than a cobra is. King cobra can inject much more venom than a cobra, but cobra has more concentrated venom compared to king cobra. Let's have a number 6 question. Can king cobra eat humans? So the answer is no. They don't eat humans or elephants. It is that they eat other snakes, even deadly snakes like criets or other cobra prey. Number 7 question. How many hours or minutes can king cobra bite kill? Okay, a king cobra bite can kill a human in 15 minutes and a full-grown elephant in a few hours. Number 8 question. Do king cobras eat their babies? A king cobra can lay about 30 eggs, and since it's not egg-eating species, consuming a rival embryos isn't an option. Were the male to wait until the egg hatched, he would have to hunt down every little hatchling, perhaps swallowing the female herself eggs and all. Takes care of the problem. Number 9 question, what king cobra size? Okay, the king cobra size average is 10 to 12 feet or 3 to 3.6 meters, but it can reach 18 feet or 5.9 meters. Number 10 question, the last question, where do king cobras live? Or where do king cobras live? King cobras live in northern India, east to southern China, including Hong Kong and Hainan, south throughout the Malay Peninsula, and east to western Indonesia, and the last but not the least, the Philippines. That's all, or that was our topic in this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell button for my next video.